Welcome to the HPE and Ansible integration demo. In this demo, we'll show you how to configure your bare metal infrastructure with the HPE OneView Ansible module, allowing you to treat your infrastructure as code. This will be done by customizing templates and automated with a single Ansible playbook. Benefits of this infrastructure as code approach include complete data center automation, consistent reproducibility, versioning, and rollback. In the traditional data center environment, IT usually needs different tools for each task, such as updating firmware or configuring storage and networking. HPE OneView provides software-defined resources that provide an innovative way to manage the entire data center. The template approach lets an application or IT organization compose compute, networking, and storage into configurations that are specific to the desired workloads or applications. Server profile templates can be used to capture best practices once, and then roll them out multiple times in an efficient and error-free way. With HPE OneView and Ansible, you can provision physical infrastructure in your data center with similar ease of the public cloud or deploying a virtual machine. This true infrastructure as code approach delivers benefits beyond agile deployment. You can also streamline common IT operations and help enforce compliance. Let's deploy a server. First, we'll see what an administrator would do using the OneView web interface. This is the OneView dashboard. It shows the status of resources under management. We are using an HPE Synergy system with an image streamer for OS deployment, but OneView can manage a wide variety of HPE hardware. We begin by selecting a server profile template. This will be used to configure the hardware. In the template, you can specify firmware, network connections. Here you see 4 network connections. You can also configure storage, boot settings, and more. Next, we create a server profile from the template. We select the hardware that will be provisioned. In the OS deployment plan, we specify values specific to the server, such as domain name and host name. This is what an administrator would do manually, but we are going to use an Ansible playbook to automate the provisioning. Here's an Ansible playbook to create a server profile from a server profile template. The code is straightforward. You just edit a YAML file and provide parameters for the template, the hardware, and the OS settings. At the bottom, you see the code to power on the server. That's it. We run the playbook creates the server profile, and powers on the server. The server will boot twice. The first time, the base image is cloned into a personalized boot volume and attached via iSCSI. The second time boots into the running OS. You now have a running server ready to go. The Ansible modules for HPE OneView are available as an open source project on GitHub under the Hewlett-Packard Enterprise organization. You will also find a white paper that will get you started using HPE OneView and Ansible. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit us at the Composable Ecosystem Partner site at hpe.com/info/composableprogram.